Do that. Oh my god. Oh. What if I went to school like this? Would y'all talk to me? Be honest. Guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. This is my second video of my back to school series. I'm only doing 2 for this year, so by the time this video is up, you might have already seen the makeup portion, and if not, that's coming up next. I'm gonna be doing 3 different hairstyles. I'm kind of already wearing the first one, but I'm gonna spruce up a bit. I still have to lay the baby hairs and stuff because everything is not laid yet. But I did get this unit from DIVASWIGS, and they sent me this 10-inch bob for summertime, and I was tired of getting hair that was just super long and just really hot to wear. I opted for getting this unit instead, and I absolutely love it. I think my favorite hairstyle is wearing it in a half up, half down do. And keep in mind, I've already washed this hair and it's super soft. I just put some conditioner in it. Didn't put much hair product in it either. I just went ahead and I sprayed it a little bit with a leave-in spray, and that's literally it. Hair is super soft. It has a slight wave to it, so whatever you're seeing right now is how the hair naturally waves on its own, which I kind of like. But I will be bumping the hair and straightening it when I'm doing the hairstyle, and I just leave it down all the way because it needs styling at that point. Like, you can't really not do that. But I really wish that I had these options. During high school, I was basically frying my actual hair and I was wearing relaxers and stuff, so didn't really have much options for back then. This wig also comes with an elastic band. It's already sewn in, so you don't have to worry about that. It also comes with this satin bag here. It says DIVASWIGS on it. Comes with a brush. Comes with wig caps, which are too light, I think, for my head, which is fine. Oh yeah, if I didn't say it already, these are 3 different looks for back to school, including this hair review. And this is where the lace ends. It's really hard to see because they did such a great job in bleaching the knots. Knots are pre-bleached. I did not touch these, you guys. I usually do. So they did camo knots with this one. And the hairline is an upgraded realistic hairline, which I did not pluck any of it. This is the first time that I haven't plucked anything at all. I didn't touch this, not one bit. And look at that. It's just so natural looking to my scalp. This is a Swiss lace with super fine knots. And there is a 6-inch parting space going to the back. So you know this is gonna be an everyday wig for y'all because it's just super natural looking. Gonna get the got to be glued. I also cut some just little baby hairs or sideburns on the sides, and maybe just to right about here, just to kind of like lay some of the hairs down. And just already look at how well that just blends in. So when your hair does blow in the wind, at least you'll have that. I just love how natural this looks, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and bump the hair so that's like kind of facing the inside. Okay, so before I move into the other hairstyles, yeah, this is a 10-inch bob that I got from DIVASWIGS. They also gave me a code. You can also save $30 using the code Tima for a full price wig, which I honestly think is amazing. Like, that's a really good deal. Be sure to go ahead and use that code at checkout if you decide to go ahead and buy a wig from DIVASWIGS. Yeah, it's also got invisible Swiss lace. So that's why the hairline looks so natural. And this is how the wig looks for like a side part. This is on the website. So the price of this wig is $199 even. If you get the $30 off, that's gonna be $169. So not bad at all, and the density is 150%, so it is a pretty thick wig. I did have to go in and take some layers off. I wanted it to be a little bit thinner for my taste. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the other 2 hairstyles. I'm gonna do one down for the next one, and then I'm gonna do maybe 2 little tiny puffs kind of going on. So the hair might look a little bit crazy because it's been up, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. Oh my god, I'm looking so 90s right now, you guys. I'm gonna straighten this. I love this so much. Ooh, I also brought clips in here so I can clip the hair back. I like the straightener too because you can also straighten it from the other side if you have any like weird lumps going on. But you can leave it like this if you want. I still think it looks cute just like this. The hair lays very well. I'm gonna use these gold ones here. I wish I had different colors, but as of right now, I don't think that I do. If I was still in school, honestly, no. I would wear this out now. I'm probably gonna be wearing it maybe today if I go out or something. Okay, I think I have something here. Okay, so I want to know what character it reminds you from. If there was like a character on Nickelodeon or something or Disney that I'm missing, please let me know because I think this is so cute. I wish I had like cute earrings, but earrings usually irritate my ears, so I only normally wear them just for videos. I still have my piercings, like obviously the hole is still in there, but I just prefer not to wear any earrings and stuff. But this is so cute. I'm gonna go take pictures of this second look really quick and we'll be right back. Taking out these little cute clips because we're gonna do two little tiny space buns up top, which I think will be really adorable. I love this hair so much. It is so freaking soft. And we're just gonna take this right here. Just a little bit. Let's do that. Oh my God. Oh. What if I went to school like this? Would y'all talk to me? Be honest. I'm not sure if I told y'all this story, but I actually told this story in my friend Nick's video before, and I probably told it on my channel before too, but there was this new girl in my class and she saw me and one of my other friends kind of sitting down, and the teacher told her to sit next to me, right? And she's just like, I'm not sitting next to her because I have standards. And y'all, when I tell you the whole class got quiet, the whole class was quiet, including myself, and I was shook. The fact that someone would say that to my face. Okay. All right. I am terrible at making everything look even, so I really hope and pray that this is gonna look good. But you know what? We're getting there. Well, this is just gonna have to do. Like it still looks cute. We're gonna say it looks cute. We're gonna say that I did this super well. It doesn't look that bad. I've done worse. Yeah, so I did 3 different hairstyles with this wig. I hope that you guys liked it. Putting some more lip gloss on. I'm wearing the Glossier lip gloss, by the way, for those of you all who want to know. I'm almost done, but I feel like I don't need to buy a new one. I have enough lip glosses in my collection right now, so I'm good for a while. I hope that y'all like these hairstyles for back to school with this unit that I got from DIVASWIGS. Go ahead and check them out because they're really awesome. Great quality hair. Again, I've already washed this wig once and it looks like I just got it out of the box because it's so freaking soft. I think this would be the perfect airport wig because it's so low maintenance. So that's it for this video. Thank you to DIVASWIGS for sending me this unit. Hope that I gave you guys some really good back to school tips for this series. There was only 2 videos for this whole thing going on. If you want like a back to school outfits type of video, let me know. I'll go ahead and put something together for y'all, which won't really involve much talking because again, there's construction going on. But if you want to see that, let me know. I could also include this little dress shirt thing I have going on. Just like really fun outfits that I've gotten for some pretty good deals. Yeah, that's it. I will talk to you guys later and bye.